Ever wanted to give your 2D characters the gift of locomotion? First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project. Selecting the Action Script 30 or HTML5 canvas, choose your desired stage size. It's typically best to make the stage long enough to accommodate your walking path. Now, let's draw our character. Start with a simple stick figure. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the fundamentals. Your first frame is the character's starting pose. We need to create our key poses. The next pose is the contact pose. This is where one foot is forward with the heel down, the other is back on its toe, and the arm swing in opposition. Think of that classic walking stride. Then we introduce the down pose, where the character's body is at its lowest point. The front knee bent. This frame really emphasizes up and down movement. Now, the passing pose. This is the character mid-stride, with one foot passing the other, is a transitional frame for the walk cycle. Next, we'll mirror our initial contact pose, and now you have the other foot leading the way, with arms swinging. Lastly, the most important element here, the up pose, where the character is at its most elevated point. Now, to make it look smooth, adjust the timing between the frames. Play around with the frame rate. Looping these frames creates our walking animation. Congratulations! You've animated a 2D walk cycle. #Walking Animation #Animate Animation.